I was filming and I wanted to pause the video, which I can, and then I didn't want to continue with the same video file. I shut the camera down. I'm able to turn it on and continue with that exact video, but I wasn't able to at the second or moment figure out how to get it off, but I did. So the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, pretty good on what we want to do with it. Now if you take note, directly across, the sailboat's missing, but the one that sank is still there. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for viewing. This is with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, 4K video resolution vertical. We're going to give a shot in 8K, the next one. We have a vertical video in 8K 30 frames per second, portrait. Ah, yeah. Check out the shot. I was thinking of, thanks, that's what that says there. That's what I put down on the helm. Getting a vertical mount, portrait mount, but it's not waterproof, and V-Rig, V is in Victor, -rig. There's a company that sells one for about $11.98, and I held off. Wasn't waterproof. Now, why do we have to have as an option to get a vertical mount when the company could already make it into the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 or even the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? Put it right onto the battery door. They got the room for it and all. Just maybe what? 1/10 of a millimeter? That don't make sense, man. A millimeter thicker, you got yourself that door. The only thing that prevents me from getting it is they probably could slide it off and it'd just make your camera go flimsy. That's the only reason. So the DJI, they come out with a case. They have a case that you get that you could put it on. But the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 don't have a case. You have to buy a case. So you got to buy these options. Maybe the next camera they would just put it on there, make it standard. Well, charge us 50 cents more, $1 more. Not a big deal. We'll appreciate it and we'll use it more. Well, I want to start to do portrait modes. That's why I started to do a couple of shots. And the thing is, we're able to do 8K footage in portrait, but are we able to load up 8K vertical portrait video to YouTube? I had a lot of trouble doing 8K with YouTube, and I think I was going to do a couple of shots now in 8K. And does Filmora allow 8K? Will the 8K Filmora get up there? Or do I got to go back to Magix and try that to get it up to 8K? I don't know. I'll probably have to figure out the bit rate, the speed of the computer, get onto the smartphone and see if T-Mobile, I don't love T-Mobile. If I come to a spot with T-Mobile, it don't work. I hang. I went to a spot, another spot, and I'm hanging, and everybody else got service. Well, that's how things are in life, baby. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Well, let me go. Continue on. Get my shots I need in 8K. Not going to be exciting, but for me, I'll test out again. On that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next video to come. Later. I'm testing out an 8K video. I have a video for about a month's time, and no way is it going to be 8K on YouTube. And here we are, a very short video indeed. You can see the sun just about coming up, a boat going out. And this is an 8K sample, so I could use Wondershare Filmora 14 and Magix Video Suite Editor 2025. This is another 8K video. I'm able to, today, step on board and able to see what it has to offer you. Well, beware of the rats. They are on here. There's an 8K footage of a barge at the top. Don't look safe. Gotta come to the spot where I'm at. Publicly go piss. That's how people are today, man. Pick a spot and go like a dog. Well, welcome to Lawless City, man. Do what you want to do. Get on go. Heading on out to go fishing. And what a wonderful sunrise it is. Right through the light, they go. Told you, Lawless City, man.